This is Vic, I'm working with construction, and today I'm just going to show you what I have in my rigid interlocking portable tool storage. And this one, this is the organizer with the clear top. I've got some wire nuts, some staples, some disconnected things, and other assorted stuff. And this one, I've got a bunch of other tools. I've got a paint scraper for whatever reason. I've got a tip magnetizer, a offset thing, roto zip, some bit extenders, and some sockets with impact attachments, big hole auger, and then more hole makers, and some leads for my meter. This is a bit for a hodgepodge of extra bits in here for originally Makita. With some lockout, tag out, extra, I don't know what that's from, extra crap, some Milwaukee P2 bits, extra level. This is a bunch of random assortment of other little bits that I don't necessarily need all the time. And then I've got these lock ring nut things. Don't really use them. And then I've got these Milwaukee step bits. Got a couple different ones, and then some other smaller bits. And sawzall blades, which probably need to be thrown out. I've got this, the sawzall blade. Some more bit, what do you call them? Hex bits, self-tapping screw, magnetic bits. We got these two Allen key fold-out things with two loose Allen keys and a piece of wood pencil for some reason. And yeah. And in this drawer, I've got 2 wire strippers, 3 wire strippers, Klein cutters, crescent needle nose, and then I've got what is this, Milwaukee style locking Allen channel lock things with the press button. And I got this security Klein thing, another flathead from Klein, a bunch of, this is a multi-tips micro screwdriver, 4-in-1, and then a reamer. We got a couple of nut drivers, a smaller Phillips, and then these little baby Greenleys. And what else in here? This is another flathead from Klein. And then I got these little baby Greenleys, little tiny things, and these 2 ring doorbell screwdriver things.